So now I'll show you how to do the before and after project. I'm going to use this last image that we did as an example. So here we have the image, and the first thing I'm going to do is check the resolution. So I go to Image and Image Size. So here we have a 2 by 3, and the resolution is 203. So we're going to make our width on this 4 inches. It does make the height rather high. Actually, we'll do it 3 inches. There we go. All right, so 3 by 4.5. It has to fit on a 8.5 by 11 sheet. Now remember, our resolution here is 203, and write that down someplace so you don't forget. Okay, 203. I'm writing it down even as I speak. Okay, so I'm going to say okay there. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is open a new file. So I'll go to File and New. And I'm going to call this Before and After. One. Okay. And it's going to be US paper. And it's going to be 8.5 by 11. But where it says resolution, I'm not going to leave 300. No, I'm going to put down 203. That's what my resolution is. And I'll say OK. Now, I resaved the original piece that we did, so I'm going to go back and open the crop levels. Let's see, I already did that one. This one here, we already have that one open. So I'm going to take this, and what I'm going to do is come here to View, and I want, let's see, where is it? I want to come to Arrange, and I'm going to arrange 3 vertical side by side like this. Okay? So I've got this one open, and I'm just going to take this and drag it over to my white copy, like that. Okay, and I'm going to place it here. Then I'm going to come to the Redo one, and I'm going to decide which one I like. And I'm just going to say Manual. So I'll come down to the Manual layer and drag that over like this, you see. Okay. And there we have it. Then I'll take and close the ones I'm not using. There we go. And I have my 2 images here. And if you don't have your rulers showing, go to View and Rulers. And I'm going to come to the side and be very careful to be in the middle of the ruler, not on the edge or over the edge, but in the middle. And I'll hold down my mouse and I will drag over a guide like that. And then I will drag down a guide here and a guide here, about midway. Okay? Then I will come over to the Type tool, and you can use a color. Red is up there right now, or I can do black, and I'll just switch the colors here, or go with the default colors by clicking on the default colors here, and it's black. And I will say that my type should be left aligned. And I'll come to my Type tool and click here. And remember, the arrow is where it should go. So there we go. And that type is awful small, so I'm going to make it about 24 points. And I'm going to type in before. This is what it looked like before, and I will commit it by clicking on the check, and I will use my arrow keys to bring it down there. Very good. And deselect. I'm going to go back to my type tool, and again I will click like that, and I'm going to click on type in after. And again I will use my arrow keys to bring it down. Then I would like you to click here and put down your name and Photoshop CAB 172 and Jackie McNeely, instructor. And I'd like you to print this out on glossy paper and hand it in. If we're doing this online, I would like you to put it in the Dropbox and you will get 5 points for it. Thank you. That's it. And we are finished. I will go ahead and hit that. And we'll see you and good luck to you. Goodbye.